what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. What's up? So today we're going to be doing a full face of first impressions. We're going to be trying out a new foundation from Dermablend. I also tried out the new Tartelette Flirt palette on my eyes, and then we're going to be trying out a highlight from BareMinerals. And we're just going to be doing a full face of first impressions. I even have some lippies I want to try out. And so yeah, if you guys want to see how I came up with this look and also some first impressions, then go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, so I already have my brows filled in and my face is also already primed. I used my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer Spray. The first thing that we're going to be trying today is this Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments. These retail for $40 and they come in a 1 ounce bottle. And they also come in a little dropper kind of thing. I'll have a picture right here just because I don't have the actual packaging, because all I have is a little sample. Now I got my color in the color 25N. Now N stands for neutral, and I usually like to go with warmer undertones, but since like all the warm undertones were really dark and they weren't going to match me, so this was the closest thing that I could get to a color match. And so we're just gonna go ahead and try it on its own today. You can mix it with different foundations, or you can mix it with your moisturizer to make a tinted moisturizer, but I really want to see how it reacts on my skin on its own. I'm going to be applying it using my Morphe highlight and contouring sponge. And let's go ahead and read some benefits. So it says that it's water-free and oil-free for seamless blendability, and the finish is natural, and the wear time is 16 hours. And it also says that it's for all skin types, so those are some really good claims. Let's go ahead and see how it reacts on my skin. So I'm just gonna grab a little brush and kind of dip it into the product. It's really thin consistency. Hopefully this color matches, but I'm just gonna apply it all over. Okay, and I'm just going to blend that in with my Morphe sponge, and it is damp. So far, that coverage though, like, do you see that? It blends so nicely. I probably didn't even have to prime because this already feels kind of like a primer. Look at that, it just covered that pimple. I put way too much. A little bit goes a long way. I really wanted to use this Dermablend sponge, but I looked it up and it says that it's for the body. So I don't think it would blend in the foundation very well because it's very stiff. So I just decided to use this sponge. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so beautiful. And it covered everything. I didn't even have to go in and build it up. Usually with my foundation, I'll go in to the areas that I need a little bit more coverage and just kind of build it up. But to be honest, I literally don't even have to do that with this one. And it like blurred out my pores as well because I didn't use a pore primer or anything. And my pores look very minimized. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. Can you guys see like my pores are just like filled in? Oh my gosh, and it has like such a pretty finish. I'm liking it, guys. I'm really liking it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer off camera along with my powder and stuff, just because that's nothing new. Like, you guys seen me do that multiple times, but I will have everything I'm using in the description box down below, and then I'll come back on camera so we could try the next new product. Okay guys, the next new product we're gonna be trying out is the new Tartelette Flirt palette. It's this little miniature palette right here, so cute. So this is what the packaging looks like, and if you open it, these are the colors. As you can see, I already swatched them, but I haven't tried it on my eyes yet. So this palette retails for $23 and you could find it at Ulta. The first color I'm going to take is this one in the corner because I want to see if it even shows up on my eyelids. So I'm just going to take that on a really fluffy brush, and I'm going to try to use this as a transition shade and see if it shows up. Like, look how much product it puts on my brush. But with the transition shade, I don't really care if it gives me a lot because, like I said, this is a light color, so it's okay. So now I'm going to be taking this color right here, and it's called Hotline, on my 217. And then I'm going to apply this to the outer corner and also into the crease of the eye. Ooh, that color's pretty. Super pigmented. and it's blending very nicely. The only problem I'm seeing so far with this palette is just the kick up, but it really doesn't bother me that much because you could just tap off your brush and then everything will be fine. Then just going back in with that transition shade and blending everything out. Now I'm going to go in with the color Snuggle, which is this dark brown right here. It's the darkest brown in the palette. And I'm going to use this to deepen up this outer corner of my eye. I feel like I have been having a lot of trouble blending my outer corner shades. I don't know if it's just because they're all dark colors, but I think it's because my wrinkles right here, they kind of mess everything up. But that color does blend out very nicely. I just feel like right here it's kind of patchy because of my wrinkles. I don't know if y'all could tell. Maybe if I get a smaller brush and put it into the crease, it'll be a little better, like right here. Ooh, I like the way it's looking so far. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take this rose gold right here. It's called Passion on my finger, and I'm going to place this all over the lid. If you layer it, it does start to exaggerate your wrinkles. So don't put that much like I did. Then I'm just going to go back in with that darkest brown and blend out these edges. Now going in with that lightest shade once again on the transition brush and blending everything out. I don't know if y'all could see on camera, but I do have some fallout, but once I wipe away this bake, it should go away. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take Snuggle on my flat brush. And I'm going to place this all along my lower lash line. Then taking Hotline on a small fluffy brush, I'm just going to use that to go ahead and blend out this brown. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished up my eyes. This is how they're looking like. Please excuse my brows. I feel like they look weird today. I don't know. But the next new product we're going to be trying out is from BareMinerals, and this is the Pure Radiance all over face color. So basically it's BareMinerals' version of a highlight, I believe so, and it's like a little loose powder. So we're going to try this out on our cheekbones and like the center of our face, and I can't wait to try this. I swatched it during my haul video and it looks super pretty, and so I can't wait to put it on my face. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my brush into the lid and pick up some product. Do you guys see how pigmented that is? Oh my gosh, and it just blends into the skin so nice. Oh, it looks so wet and just like a glazed donut basically. It is exaggerating these bumps just a little bit, but it's so pretty. I don't care. I just don't care. It just like blends into the skin so nicely. I guess because it's like finely milled, so it just like really melts into there. Gonna apply some right here too. Ooh. I feel like I look really matte right now, so we're just gonna like pop this everywhere, you know? Ooh, that was a lot. Too much, too much. Give me a highlighting mustache, please. And you get so much product in this. How much do you get? 0.85 grams. I feel like that's a lot, like, because a little bit goes a long way. So super excited about that. The next thing we're going to be trying out is this Maybelline Color Sensational Precious, is that what it says? Yeah, Precious Lip Liner in the color 20 Nude. Why can't I open it? Oh, please open. I love that feeling. Ooh, that looks dangerous. Look how sharp that looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips. Whew. That goes on like butter. I love, oh fuck, I fucked up. I fucked up. Why? That color is really pretty. It was really easy to use. So far, Maybelline lip liners, they're good. I wonder how much they are. Let's see, shall we? $7.99. That's how much the lip liner is. Not bad, not bad, Maybelline. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be trying out for the first time is this Maybelline lipstick in the color Nude Embrace 650, and it's a matte. So we're just going to pop this on. Ooh, it's so soft and creamy. These two do pair really good together. I feel like I could just keep rubbing it on. I like that formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and everything. That was everything I had to try today. I feel like I'm missing something because the inner corner is not bright. So I'm actually, before I go, I'm gonna take some of this BareMinerals highlight and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna pop some of that right here. Ooh, pretty. Okay guys, I'm back, and to be honest, I have really nothing bad to say about any of the products I tried today. I really ended up liking everything. I can't wait to keep trying out the foundation or the pigment drops from Dermablend. They looked so good on the skin and they were really full coverage, and I am a full coverage girl, so I really like them. And the color ended up matching after all. I feel like it did kind of look dark at the beginning, but once I have concealer and powder and everything on, I feel like it matches. What do you guys think? And as for the Tartelette Flirt palette, it's amazing. It blends nicely. They have some really good like everyday shades in there. I like that it's a mix of both matte and shimmer, so you could travel with it. The only bad thing to say about this was the fallout, or not the fallout, but the kick up. It does have a lot of kick up, so you just want to make sure you're tapping off the brush when you have really dark colors, just so you don't get a lot of fallout on your skin. But other than that, it's really good. As for the BareMinerals highlight, oh my gosh guys, I had no idea that BareMinerals even made highlights, and now I'm like in love with it on my skin. It just like melts right in. I have nothing bad to say about this as well. And as for the two lippies I tried out, I am loving this nude. It's like a brown, but like with mauve in it. It's so beautiful. And the lip liner was really easy to use as well. And I already knew I liked the matte formula from Maybelline because I already own like 3 other shades from them and they are really good. And so yeah, that is pretty much everything I have to say about all these products. If you guys did enjoy this full face of first impressions, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep filming these videos after I do haul videos, because everything I really tried in this video was from my last haul. So if you haven't seen it, I'll have it right here so you can check that out. And yeah, with that being said, make sure you are subscribed before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And so I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys!